Hi everyone, so I have some projects to share with you guys from everydaydeals.com. They reached out to me again and asked if I would work with them, and I said yes, because they have some new items that I was really excited to try. So I got these boxes. I believe they called them pencil boxes on their website. I'll leave a link down below in the description box to these products, but I was thinking these would be really cute to use for like embellishment boxes. So that was my idea for these, and I liked the color of this like teal Tiffany looking one. It's really pretty. So the top right here is sticky for you to place your little diamond dots, but it does open right here. So there actually is two compartments, but you know, once you take this plastic off, you'll be able to open them individually, but the plastic is on here protecting the glue. And then on the inside, you have everything you need to get started. So here's your pen, your wax, your tray, and then here are your drill bits, which I'm really excited about. You guys know I'm such a sucker for the ones that have rhinestones. Now, if you've been thinking about getting into diamond arts or diamond painting, I highly, highly recommend this kind of a project. Anything with a rhinestone, I personally think are a lot prettier than just the regular diamond dot drill bits. So if you're just getting started, I would recommend getting the rhinestone ones. And then I also recommend getting one of these smaller projects. You can sit down, you can pop on a movie or a program, and you can get it done in no time. Especially with this one, I can see be done in no time at all in the span of watching a show. This one does have the most pieces out of the three, so definitely pop on a movie and then sit there and go ahead and start working on this one. These are all so pretty, but can definitely be done in a day, and that's what I like about doing these little diamond art projects, is that it's so satisfying to go ahead and be able to complete them in a day, no problem, and you just get that feeling of, wow, like I accomplished something today, I finished something. It's just an amazing feeling. So here's this one that also has that double compartment component. So, you know, you can add like a little like chunky charm here, and then add some bows, some rosettes over here, and send it off to a crafty friend. That is my idea for these anyways, is to use them that way. So let me show you the little drill bits on this one. Like, where's the opening? There we go. So this one also has the rhinestone ones. Like I said, I'm just obsessed with the rhinestones. Anything rhinestones, I am all about. And I love this blue right here. I'm not sure if you can see, but it has like a little star pattern in the center of those blue circles. So pretty. The colors are just really, really pretty. They just pop. I just love, love, love the rhinestone ones. So there's the colors for this one. And then you can see right here, here are the designs. So it tells you which rhinestone goes where. So like number 5 goes here, number 1 goes here, number 7 goes here. So, you know, there's no problem. You just got to look at your little pattern and just follow it. And then this plastic film lifts up, and then all of this down here will be sticky. I just don't want to touch it with my hands because I don't want to ruin some of that stickiness. But I'm not sure if you can see the shine right there. All that extra shine is where the glue is, of where you're going to be placing and laying those rhinestones. So there's that box there. And then our last box is a clear box. Oh, there's the opening there. And this one has a blue butterfly, which I loved. I thought was really, really cute. Love that it has a little blue butterfly. There's some purple, some pink, some blue. Some more blue over here. It looks like yellow or possibly orange over here. A great little rainbow colored box. I love that it was a clear box. So got that one. And open both sides. There we go. And then, like I said, every kit always comes with the whole little starter kit that you need to get started. So all of them will come with the tray, the wax, and the pen. And then here are what the little rhinestone bits look like for this one. Here we go. So that's what those look like. Very shiny, very, very pretty. Just gorgeous. That purple is beautiful. Oh, I love that light blue. Oh, look at these white ones are my favorite. Can you see it has that iridescent shine to them? Oh my gosh, these are my favorite white little drill bits. Love, love, love those. Okay, so I'm going to take these and get started on putting these together, and then I will be back to show you guys what they look like when they are all done. So, okay, we'll be back. Okay, so I have these boxes all completed, and I wanted to share with you guys what they look like. So if you do diamond painting for a little bit, you'll realize that you end up with a lot of extra drill bits. So what I did was I took some drill bits right here from a different project and I just glued them. I used my Barely Arts glue to glue them to the box. So this little bit of pink right here and this little bit of pink over here, I just glued and added because it matched the colors. So you can see that it goes from like blue to purple, and then there's yellow here. And then if you look closely right here, it had this little bit of pink up in that corner. So that's why I did that portion in pink, and then so was this little like line right here was in pink, and then the rhinestones ended up covering that all up. So don't be afraid to go ahead and add extra little items to, you know, bling it up the way that you would like. I think it'd be really pretty to have another little flower over here, so I might add that or add another row up here. I thought might be fun, so I don't know, maybe I will. We'll just wait and see. But yeah, other than that, I didn't alter anything else, so that's what that first box looks like. And then these are double compartments. I think they advertise these as like pencil boxes. But like I said, I want to use them for embellishment. So you have two compartments here. You know, you could put your erasers here and then your pencils on the other side. But I'm just going to go ahead and add little embellishments to it. So there's that one. And then here is the like teal looking one. I thought this flower came out really cool. How it has, like, these look like little flowers in themselves. And then, you know, it goes out. And then I think these are gorgeous. These little diamond shaped ones I think are just absolutely beautiful. So we have that pencil box right there. And then here is the blue one, which I really, really like how this came out. Like, these little teardrop rhinestones are just gorgeous. This one looks like it has a little star cut into it. These are just super, super cute. And like I said, I think these will make a great little embellishment box. And then you don't even have to worry about how are you going to decorate the top of your box, because it's already all done for you. So that's it on this little haul from them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.